Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be helping you guys level up your Minecraft game with shaders, resource packs, and mods that I daily use in my Minecraft. I have got everything that you guys need right here, and trust me, it is super easy to set up. Now let's get right into it. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up your web browser. You're going to need to find CurseForge, which I will leave a download link for you in the description. After you install the CurseForge app, then I'll also leave a YouTube link for installing Jump. I am not that great in explaining on how to install that yet, but someone else can, and they do it very well. Now, after you have those two things in, you're going to need to open up your CurseForge, and you're going to need to create a new profile. We're just going to call it Test for now. You're going to need to load this in Forge in version 1.20.1. Now, we have a blank slate for this game. After everything is set up, we are going to press play on this game version so the player data is already loaded in the game, which will be a lot easier for you to install mods. Because if we were to open up the folder, now, all you would have is mods, which is nice, but if you want to make sure you have everything ready, I would highly recommend to do this step. Do know, guys, that this version of Minecraft is very unstable. However, I was able to optimize it as much as I can. I am using a Intel Core i9 with a GTX 1070 GPU. Alright, now we have loaded into the world, meaning the game has player data. Now we are going to press save and quit, and we're just going to close out of this version of Minecraft because we do not need it no more. Now we are going to press the open folder, and we're going to close this. There will be a file download in the description for Google Drive. Once you're in here, definitely make sure to read this file first. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your mods folder. You're going to press Control A, Control C. You're going to go to the mods folder here and do the same. Now you're going to go to resource packs and you're going to do the same there. Now we have these two installed. As you noticed in there, shader packs was not in there. Reason why is because we have Oculus, and Oculus is not activated yet in this Minecraft mode. Now we're going to press play. This is where you will go into your instance tab. We're going to add just a smidge more of RAM. It's already set at 4 gigabytes, but I would recommend just for a test file to run it. This is quite heavy. Now, once we have everything installed, and if it looks like your game is frozen in this loading screen or something, don't worry. It will load. It's just once we have everything in, your game is going to try to upload 117 mods, I believe. So, yeah, it's definitely going to bring down your computer just a tad bit. Alright guys, now we have loaded into the game. Now we are going to load a test world so we can have everything in, and then we can create an instance now for shaders, which shouldn't take too long. Alright, now we are loaded into the Minecraft world. Now before we start, we are going to go to options, video settings, and now we see shader packs. We're going to press the open shader pack folder, and we're going to press our Windows button to get outside of the game. Now, the shader pack folder for this file is now open. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this to this side, and then we are going to go back to here, and we are going to go back to this shader folder. We're going to go Control A, Control C, we're going to copy it in here. Now we have it copied. Now we're going to head back to the Minecraft. Now, if we go back down to here, we can pick one now. So I would recommend, if you want a good gameplay but you don't want your frames to drop down to 27, I would recommend Super Duper Vanilla. Now your game looks like this, which it is amazing. However, if you're not running enough RAM, your computer will have a little bit of an issue. As you can see, my render distance is not going any further than this. What I like to call this is data lock. It's basically you are now trapped in this one little section of area, and for some reason it doesn't work. If this does happen, don't worry, it is very common to happen. I would just recommend to make sure you don't have anything else using an excessive amount of RAM, and I would also reload this and add more. Now we have this. Now I'm going to show you how to add a Minecraft world into here. Alright, now Minecraft has closed. We are going to go to this, the CurseForge app, and now we are going to go to open folder, and we're going to minimize these tabs. We're going to do the same process that we've been doing for these shaders and everything else. This time you see it called New World 1. So you're going to go into Saves. This is where all your worlds are. Now if you have any duplicates in here and you actually have one named World 1, basically you can just come in here and rename it anything you want. And then you're going to move this. You can't copy it. I tried copying it and it's corrupted, so I would just move it. And now you're going to load back up CurseForge again. Now, due to the problem of me having the RAM issue, we are going to add much more. So this time, you're going to add 1900 gigabytes and 1900 megabytes, which would mean 19 gigabytes in tech terms. Now, I'm going to insert my phone footage here. This will explain to you what would happen if you accessed the toggle world button on your home screen. Hello everybody, I had to use my phone because OBS decides not to show task manager stuff, which I don't blame. But
for today's Minecraft video, if you are using the toggle world in your menu and you try to close down the game normally, it will not shut down and you will be left with a black screen. The best way to fix this is bring up your task manager. Best way to do this is go down to your Windows button. You're going to right click this with your mouse. You're going to see something called Task Manager. Open that and you're going to look for a file named OpenJDK Platform Binary. What you're going to do is you're going to right click this and you're going to press End Task. And then it will automatically delete it from Task Manager and eventually it will begin to close from here. Do not worry about this error message. This does not affect anything. This is only because you forced closed it.
Alright guys, that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys have any other ideas or any other tutorials that you would like, please leave a like and comment down below. Peace out guys.